Hello everyone. Welcome back to this channel. This video is a brief review of spray mops for home cleaning. The review was based on quality, product features and specifications, price and customer feedback. Let's get started. Are you tired of using a spin mop and cleaning your home, due to some problems, like the mop doesn't spin, the detached basket, the pedals fail to rotate the drying tub, or the mop doesn't soak the cleaning solution? Here's the best-seller mop available in the market today. The Water Spray Mop 360 Degree Rotating Floor Mop. Let's look into the product features and specifications. Number 1. Convenience 360 degrees rotating mop head is the perfect mop to easily and quickly clean the dirt at each corner of your home. The soft sponge grip design is more comfortable during the cleaning. Number 2. An efficient microfiber pad to remove tough, sticky messes for your living room, kitchen, and shower room, with cleaning traceless, easily hygienic without any battery power. Number 3. A controllable hand grip, which provides water-to-water mist evenly, simply by pressing the hand grip. By spraying it gently cleans hardwood, tile, marble, ceramic, and laminates flooring. Number 4. Pole structure is assembled of sturdy and thick aluminum, with the new second-generation 600 ml water storage tank, which holds enough cleaning solution for you to tackle large rooms without having to stop and refill too often. Let's watch this video for a more in-depth understanding of the product uses and value. Customer feedback from reviews. We collected feedback from customers' reviews from different shops. The Water Spray Mop for floor cleaning has a customer rating from 4.7 to 4.9. Users are happy in terms of quality, price and the product uses and applications. Let's talk about the price and place to buy it. The product is available everywhere, be it online or at a physical outlet. Prices change as often, so I leave a link in the description box in this video for you to check the updated prices and best deals. Therefore, based on the review, we highly recommend this product for housewives looking for simple yet affordable home cleaning tools. This water spray mop is a must for every household. If you like this video, please hit the like, share, and comment below. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed for more future reviews. Thank you for watching.